In this video, we will learn about single inheritance and multi-level inheritance by Java codes. First type of inheritance is single inheritance. In this type of inheritance has only single superclass and subclass. For example, I am acting as superclass, or base class, or parent class, and my daughter is acting as subclass, or child class, or derived class. She inherits my behaviors and properties like as eat, sleep, walk, run. I am explaining single inheritance by Java program. I have given my class. Name is class mother, but my daughter class name is class daughter. My daughter inherits my behaviors, eat and sleep, but his own method is run. I have taken one other main class and compiler always start program from main class in Java. Create object name is Jai for child class, which access the eat and sleep method from mother class or parent class. And child class has own method run after run. Program compiler will print output. Mother is eating, mother is sleeping, and daughter is running. In this type of inheritance, one superclass inherit the properties of another level of superclass. Therefore, it is known as multi-level inheritance. For example, my mother is superclass here, and she is grandmother of my daughter. I am here intermediate or middle-level subclass for my mother, but for my daughter, I am superclass here. You can easily understand by given the diagram.